elevated design and audio performance, check out Klipsch Reference Premier Speakers. Reimagined from the ground up, the all-new Reference Premier line combines more than 70 years of acoustic engineering expertise with cutting-edge technology and powerful performances that only Klipsch can bring to your home theater and hi-fi listening environment. These high-performance speakers deliver the purest of sound thanks to proprietary Klipsch Tractrix horn technology with an all-new vented tweeter design. No wasted energy, just clear and detailed music and movie soundtracks direct to your ears. Available in ebony, walnut, and premium hand-sanded piano gloss finishes, there's a Reference Premier model to complement your decor. No matter your style, these speakers boast high-end materials and components that look as good as they sound. With elegant copper trim rings, cast aluminum feet, scratch-resistant satin-painted baffles, and removable magnetic grills, the Reference Premier series from Klipsch delivers a feature-rich, premium aesthetic. For legendary, impactful sound in any setting, plus features and performance that stand above the rest, step up to Reference Premier from Klipsch. Klipsch, keepers of the sound. Putting the right speakers in the right places is important. The speakers and everything that comes out of them are designed to work together to place the sounds in your room just as they would occur in real life. Simply put, if a sound is supposed to occur beside you or behind you, it doesn't sound realistic if it comes from the front. Same for dialogue. If it comes from behind you as you watch the screen, that just doesn't make sense. For the best results in your home theater, make sure to put the center speaker with the TV and place the surround speakers to your side or just behind you. Make sure that the left speakers are on your left and the right speakers are on your right as you face the screen from your favorite spot. You can place a subwoofer almost anywhere in the room, but ideally it should be placed in a corner or against a wall because that maximizes the possible output. Experiment with a couple different locations to find the sound you prefer. Now, listen as the sound moves from your left to your right with this example of proper speaker placement. Klipsch is the expert in immersive cinema sound. Many of the world's premium theaters choose Klipsch to deliver the full potential of dynamic movie soundtracks. Take the ultimate in cinema audio home with Klipsch Reference Premier Dolby Atmos enabled speakers. When you combine the breakthrough research of Dolby Labs with industry-leading design from Klipsch, great things happen. Dolby Atmos technology allows audio engineers to pinpoint single sounds and move them anywhere in the room, following the action, putting you right in the middle of the scene. Klipsch Reference Premier Dolby Atmos enabled speakers deliver this revolutionary technology as they bring sound to life by placing specific sounds above, around, and through you as you watch and listen. The Dolby Atmos experience is achieved by Klipsch up-firing elevation speakers, sending sound up to reflect off the ceiling and back down to the viewer. Thanks to the controlled directivity and dynamic range of exclusive Klipsch Tractrix horn technology, it's amazingly immersive and incredibly lifelike. Klipsch offers tower speakers with an integrated Dolby Atmos speaker and a Dolby Atmos elevation speaker that can be placed on top of your existing tower or bookshelf speakers. Or they can serve as wall-mounted surround speakers thanks to the switchable frequency response, ensuring a great-sounding Dolby Atmos elevation speaker or traditional surround speaker. Get ready to experience movies like never before. From the experts in cinema sound, Klipsch Reference Premier Dolby Atmos enabled speakers. Klipsch, keepers of the sound.
right into the action with rich, detailed surround sound that thrills the senses. Our dynamic balance tweeters project crisp highs, and the pure mid-range drivers let you share the exhilaration of a wide sonic sweet spot. Feel rumbles of deep bass, and hear every word in your movies and music, including crystal clear vocals. We are committed to bringing you reliable, unrivaled surround sound that works with any system. Elevate your home theater to the next